Kathy, please summarize for us. Like what? Anyway, okay. So, is there anything else we can ask her? I don't really know what to ask her.
How you feel you're coming back to your family and your kids?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to share. I've experienced pretty hard times. At home with my own children, and to go back home and share with my kids, not my kids personally, not my students, but my own children. I really feel like my eyes are opened to the world and the pressures that we put on our children in the United States, and the pressures that the kids have in this country. I feel like my eyes have been opened, and maybe I needed to do that, but emotionally, you know, I've had to do some things lately and go through some things with my own family that have been pretty stressful, and I don't see those problems in Africa. I didn't see, with the same age group of children, I didn't see that problem. And I can't say that they're better off and we're better off, but it's like, you know, how do we, when I go home tomorrow to my family, like how do I teach my children that, you know, the world has so much to offer and so much to live for, and there's so much out there to see, that life isn't depressing, or there's no reason to be sad. And I don't know how I'm going to do it, but the experience has been something that has been emotionally healing for me in many different ways. I can elaborate on that if you want.